Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your file with your PC with smartphone. So without wasting your time, let's just start this video. So I'm going to open my browser and here search SHAREit for PC. And here go to this first one, software and download SHAREit for your PC. Simply click on free download and you can easily download this software in your PC. So I already downloaded and installed this software in my PC. So I'm not going to download this again. I'm going to close my browser. And here I'm going to open my SHAREit. And here you can see use SHAREit app to scan. You need to install this software in your mobile also. Simply go to your Play Store and you can easily install this software in your mobile. Now I'm going to open this. And here you can see this plus icon. Go to this connect to PC like this. But I'm going to close this one. If you want to send or receive anything via mobile or smartphone, then you can use these two options, send or receive. But I'm going to connect this with my PC. So for this, scan this. And now you can see I can easily connect this with my PC. You can see my photos, videos like this, and apps, music and docs. Or you can also send anything in your PC like this. You can send photos or videos like this or apps. Anything you can simply send or receive from your smartphone and your mobile. Or you can upload this to your phone, your PC file like this. So you can easily upload this to your phone. Like you can see it's uploaded in my phone. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.